we're back. 11C. Only 30 seconds on the trail, maybe. Turn the bike on and back off, and now I got 72% battery. I've been told that you can't really 100% trust the display. You need to use the Bluetooth app, which I've never even connected yet. I got it downloaded, pretty sure. I've never connected it, and that'll tell you a lot more accurate battery reading, voltage, and all kinds of other stuff you can tinker with on there. This is so relaxing, guys. It's like being on a mountain bike, but, you know, way more fun, less work. I'm like, it does that stuff good. It goes down this stuff as easy as the Husky does, as long as you're not flying. Like, if you're just chilling, putt-putting. And the regen for engine braking is amazing. Like, I just barely touch the front brake and it activates it. So, like, I'm not really using my brakes very much at all. I don't know how much battery it really puts back into. Charge it puts back into the battery. But it just helps ride. Because the brakes are decent. See that right there? Like, I could have just flew over that. That wouldn't have been a problem. I'm just playing and talking. Trying to run in mode 1. Conserve battery life, as I mentioned earlier. Don't want to get stuck out on this trail. Even pushing the bike back. Nah, not today. I think this bike will make it though. Especially there was no great big rocks. Right now, this V33, solid rocks is the enemy. And mud, not have a fender. Yeah, there used to be a gigantic rock up here. I was so happy when I could finally clear it. The first time I really cleared it was riding with Brennan and then Sean. And then they fixed it. And it's only gonna be fixed for a while. I mean, the erosion is gonna get it sooner or later. This rock right here. All this is dirt they brought in. I mean, it's already worse than what it was 2 weeks ago. I don't think you could even see the rock. Whew. All right. Oh, I wonder what trail this is. I mean, this right here ain't terrible, but that's steep right there, bud. I have to make sure I have my headlight off. Whew. This does give me a pretty good upper body workout because the wheelbase being so short and sitting down so much. Oh, I better not. I don't think I can make it. I mean, I probably could make it, but I'm by myself. That tree halfway up, you gotta get your front wheel over it. And even this isn't significantly easier. Oh. Oh. This is that front wheel, short wheelbase really sucks. I gotta get back on the bike, but there's not a whole lot of getting back on it. And you really put a lot of weight, a lot of pressure in my hands. Because I just can't get the right body position. All right. No, it's not. We're not done. I really don't know if this one's any better. The Honda would be nice on this, because it's got that long wheelbase. Oh, yeah, see, not talking very much when you're working hard. Whew. That warms you up. Whew. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. There's a root there. we're gonna go around. We're trying to mow 2. Mow 2 tricks you though, because you can give it full power. Like you twist that throttle all the way back, you ain't gotta worry about spinning out too much. Yeah. Like I'm full power right now. And you know, it takes a little bit to get caught up. So, kind of acts like traction control. Alright, get back. On a short bike like this, I think you have to have a rear brake, hand rear brake, because it's so easy to get off the pegs. So I remember being here just a little bit ago. So Eric hurt his knee a little bit. Dear Lord, help us not do the same. Lord, protect us. Wear it to heal up good too. Amen. See right there, my boot got caught under. Oh, more downhill, more downhill. Oh, this is what got Eric. It's missing the other piece now. No, you can see it right there. Yep, that's what Eric's knee did. This is what I went down on the Husky too. Right over here, so probably my track's right there. I think I just grabbed too much front brake. I got a little bit of a front brake problem. Yeah, this trail's fun. That rock at the beginning they kind of worked on, that was like a gatekeeper. Because it used to be by far like the only hard thing on this trail. And it was so close to the beginning. Now they got that clear out of the way. Hopefully a lot of people will start coming on this trail. Because it's really good. I think it's one of the best here. I haven't been on all of them, but been on a bunch. Whoop. time, slow-mo too. Hey-ya! We got it. We got it. Just need a little oomph. That's where, like, I should have really been in mode 3. I could have literally lifted the front wheel up right there. Alright, I'm kind of learning. If I get way back, I can squeeze the bike a little bit. Okay. Make sure I didn't break the fender there. Because you get too far back, there's nothing there. It's just like 2 screws or something. I don't know how it works, but that isn't supported fender. Woo! Couldn't get my boot out. How am I going to do this one? I used to come this way. Oh my gosh. This thing's cheating, I'm telling you guys. As long as you don't got a boot that's too tall for it. You got good body position where you can squeeze the bike instead of relying on your wrist. That was so easy right there. I thought that was going to be a little bit of a struggle. Man, I probably got to get it faster than that. And then it just... Whoop. Alright, we'll come back later. I might try Big Red. I don't know yet. See how it looks like. It's always bike, you know. I don't want to tear it up. I really didn't need to put tubeless in it. I might end up putting that on a different bike. Well, when I get another bike. Putting a heavy duty tube in this thing. But it depends on which wheel I run. See, like that rock right there? We don't want to hit that rock. That 19-inch front wheel. Well, that'll eat your battery right there. I kind of thought about getting an E-Ride Pro and just keeping this thing. If I keep this, I think I might put a 16-inch wheel in the back. For Kim. I mean, maybe for me too. Still record. Yeah, I forgot to hit the button. I guess I forgot to hit the button. This is where it regens real nice. Like I just barely touched the brake. Slow down. Alright, let's go see. Let's go see. Alright, big red. Okay. Oh, that's what got me. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. To do it, you just gotta get on the tank. Tank may not be the right word. Oh, you gotta turn regen off on this stuff. It's good on this stuff, but if you touch the brake, it cuts all power off. Try again. Don't you all? Guess we won't load 4. Alright, we gotta do it again. We gotta clean it. Yeah. I'm not used to squeezing my levers hard because The regen does so much. Without regen, I almost need both fingers on the brakes. Ooh. Okay. All right. I mean, that kind of counts, right? I like being on the bridge like that. Okay. All right. Yeah. Short wheelbase really picks that front end up. All right, we did it. We did it. We did a couple of them. We made it. We didn't go back down the hard way. That's good. 53%. I didn't look at it, but we did all those hill climbs. I don't know if this is probably better race lines now. Alright, so we couldn't really make that line over there clean. Alright. Okay. Go back. Yeah, I think. I think that's easy line. I guess I can side cut the hill. Oh, it'd be nice to have a gummy. I also got six or 8 pounds in the bike right now. Alright, we better quit playing. Sorry, Cam. I'll watch it again. Well, good ride, folks.